As you can see, we're under the car, and this is the rear differential. There's your drain plug, and that one there is your filling plug. Yeah, this guy goes off-road and it's caked in dirt from a recent exclusion to a mud pit, and I'm never going there again. So once we have everything ready, what we do is we do this one first. Always the filling plug first. There's no point in draining something if you can't fill it up. So if we can't get this guy out, then we don't take this guy out. So let's give it a clean up, and then we can start taking the plugs out. Okay, as you can see, that's now clean, and so is the area around this one. What we're going to do is we're going to inject the oil into here using a syringe. Anyway, let's take out this plug first. Extension bar, wobbly joint, 8mm Torx Allen socket, and ratchet. That sounds good, by the way. That is a long plug. To double check to make sure I've got an O-ring. If not, I can reuse this as long as I'm incredibly careful. Final clean. Pick. There we go. Differential oil. Now, let's give that a good 10 minutes and we will let it stop dripping. Okay, so this is our drain plug. Magnetic. See the white stuff here? That's thread lock. There is no washer on this. It's a friction between threads on the plug and the case. This is a tapered thread. New one. That's the number. As you can see, with our thread sealant. So, every single nut and bolt and screw has a torque value or a recommended one. But this, it is 21 foot-pounds. That's why you need a little torque wrench. Electronic rear differential. How much does it take? What's the capacity? It is 1.76 litres or 1.86 quarts. How do we do that when it comes in quart bottles? We measure using, oh, there you go, this guy, and then we inject it in. So we end up with a perfect amount. Some people say that you should only put what you take out, what you drain. Incorrect. You don't know what's happening. Water could have gotten in there. They may have misfilled it last time, or even not put enough fluid in. So this time we will put in exactly what Land Rovers say, because they are the people that know what they're doing with these things. 21 foot-pounds. Don't worry, a little bit of the white paste squeezes off. Trust me, it isn't the aluminium from the casing. So we'll use a syringe through the hole.